everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts. And today's craft is going to be dragonflies. So what you're going to get in your kit is you are going to get a clothespin. You're going to get 2 popsicle sticks. No ice cream on them, sorry. They're your own popsicles. You're going to get a pipe cleaner, and you're going to get 2 googly eyes, which we haven't given you guys for a long time. So the first thing I did with mine clothespin is I decorated the bottom. Kind of cool, huh? So then what you're going to do is I'm going to put stuff on the top. So we're going to glue on the wings because dragonflies have amazing wings. So I have my glue, and unfortunately we're going to have to use the white glue this week. So what I'm going to do, kind of in the middle here, so I have my glue, and I'm going to go about halfway, and I'm going to put my wing, and then I'm going to put another bit of glue, and you guys might have to wait a little bit while before as your glue dries, and we're going to put the other one again about halfway. Then we're going to put our eyes on. And they're kind of little eyes. And we're going to put one there. Oops. Slippery eyes. And we're going to put the other eye there. And now you're thinking, what are we going to do with this? Well, this is going to be the antenna for the dragonfly. And actually, I don't think dragonflies have antennae, but we wanted to give you something a little extra. So once everything's dry, then you can see there's kind of a hole, and you're going to just put your pipe cleaner right through the hole, and you're going to twist it up, and that can be his antenna. Or if you want to, you could put it right at the front. Actually, let's see if we can do that. And you can open our clothespin a little bit. And there we go. So it's a kind of easy craft this week. So there is our dragonfly, and would love to see your dragonflies when they're done. And we'll see you on Thursday for Cozy Corner Stories. And we're going to be doing, I think, bugs. Or dragonfly bugs. Maybe some special ones too. And if you have an idea for a story that you would like to hear, please let us know, and we might be able to do it on Thursday. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.